1, go!
Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we are going to make full review and unboxing of one of the cheapest projectors on the market. It has very simple name H2 LCD Projector. It is budget projector of $100 and it doesn't have Android operating system. However, you can connect it to laptop, PC, PlayStation 4, Xbox and other devices via HDMI and watch videos or play games on a big screen. It has native resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, however it supports Full HD 1080p videos. So let's start our review with unboxing and then find out its interesting features. The projector comes in a cardboard box. Here you can read all details about device inside, model number, supported technologies, specifications and others. When you open the box, you will see the projector in transparent package. From the left side, there are other accessories, such as user manual. I think that you don't need user manual because the projector is very simple to use. However, the user manual in English, so you can pick out some details. Remote control, power cable, RGB cable for video-audio input, Now let's look at design of H2 projector. It is made of cheap plastic, but I really like the color combination of black and white. At the top you can see two wheels, one is for focus, while another is for image correction. Also there are control buttons, such as power, menu, source, play, OK and others. I think that you don't need these buttons, because there is a remote control. From the back you can find only VGA port. Does anyone still use it? The main connectors are located on the left side. There are slots for SD memory card, 3.5mm headphones jack, AV connectors, 2 HDMI ports, and even USB port. From the right side you can find a connector for power cable. If you look at the front panel, there is a big lens that is protected with plastic cover. Also you can find infrared receiver to control the projector with remote control. From the bottom we are interested in connectors for tripod and other accessories, for example, to hang the projector on the ceiling. H2 projector is pretty compact because I already reviewed much bigger devices such as Alpha Y6. You can find link to this video in description. Also, H2 projector weighs about 1.3 kilograms. By the way, there is a remote control of black color. It duplicates all functions from control panel on projector. It is powered by two 3A batteries. As I already said, H2 projector doesn't have Android or other operating system. It has very simple user interface. It is comfortable and easy to use, but it looks very old. The main screen provides categories to play files such as video, photos, music and text. Also you can choose the input source HDMI, AV, USB or SD card. The settings menu have different options to set up picture, audio and others. The first menu offers options to choose picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, noise reduction, projector direction and others. From the sound menu, you can change sound mode. Then there is an option to set up sleep timer. And the last menu provides system settings, such as language, reset factory settings and software updates. By the way, I want to note that projector supports the most popular languages, such as English, French, Russian and many others. I played some videos from USB flash drive and I didn't have any problems. The projector has image resolution from 30 to 150 inches. You can place the projector at the distance from 1 to 4 meters. The contrast ratio 2000 by 1 provides pretty good image. However, you should remember that projector has only 480p resolution. Yes, it supports 1080p videos, but output resolution will be only 480p. I tried to play 4K videos, but H2 projector could not do it. The maximum brightness of 1800 lumens makes it possible to use projector in light room. Of course, it is better to use contrast image, for example, black and white color, then it will be much more visible in light room. In total darkness, the image is very good as for the budget projector. If we talk about lamp life, the manufacturer says about 30,000 hours. The projector doesn't have built-in battery, and it is powered only from outlet. By the way, H2 projector has built-in speaker. It is very loud, however, it is impossible to use at 100% because the sound is poor. At the volume of about 50%, it is pretty comfortable to use. Also, you can connect external speaker with 3.5mm audio jack. So H2 LCD Projector is very interesting device. For the low price of about $100, it provides very good specifications and image quality. First, I want to note a compact size and a rich set of connectors. Also, H2 Projector has good brightness, 1800 lumens, and contrast 2000 by 1. The native resolution is pretty low, however, the projector supports Full HD videos. Also, there is no Android operating system, so you can play files only from USB and SD drives, or use HDMI cable to transfer image from computer, laptop, gaming consoles such as PlayStation 4. So if you need budget projector to watch movies at home, presentation in college or office, and just play games on big screen, then H2 LCD projector will be good option. Thanks for watching. In description you can find links where to buy projector cheaper. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.